and welcome back to Heart and Soul Homes. My name is Monica. Today is one of those kind of random days again where I'm just like, okay, I've been putting off decluttering, kind of going through this is all my entertaining and kind of like party entertaining, holiday, all my extra, serving, and it's all down here. And I've just been I have been dreading. I'm not going to, I'm not going to like declutter glasses or that kind of stuff that I have on the other side, because it's kind of like one of those things. I mean, we do use them. I mean, for different, I don't want to get rid of it because something is for one certain holiday or what, you know what I mean? Like, I'm gonna keep those, but I do want to go through some of my serving stuff. As you guys have seen, we have a cabin up north, and I don't need as much down here. And so, just to be able, like my son last Thanksgiving, him and his family did Thanksgiving up there. Just a couple of, serving bowls or platters or that kind of thing that maybe we can keep up there, or for the summertime, if we're gonna sit out on the patio, we wanna have a big serving tray. So I just woke up today and said, today is the day we're doing it. I'm totally on this whole kick of decluttering and organizing the whole house. You've seen several areas of my home. Pretty much everything other than the basement. We still got lots of work down in the basement. Is good. We're good to go. But this is the last type of thing that I wanted to get done. So let's just get in and do it. Let's just pull everything down and let's do this.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no special. One of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special. Just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. I know you want me, boy, I can tell. So deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry that I'm no help, 'cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry, you'll find someone who wants you back, but that is not me. So give it up, haven't you had enough? I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend.
These are great boxes. These are China Savers. I got these at the Container Store. And I use these for wine glasses and goblets and the small, but you could use regular glasses, so they're a nice tall. And it's a nice fabric. It just zips it up, and it was in my pantry. So this is in the pantry. You can see how nice they stack. Here's a one that's for like a platter that I'm not going to use. This has little coffee teacups, and I'm not going to use those. These are the round big plates, medium plates, and small plates. And then this was the box for the glasses. So they just tuck away really nicely, you know, in a closet or a pantry, but they're protected.
Yeah, and I never wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriends, girlfriends. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no.
Okay, so I finished up this little project. Again, this is just something that, you know, was kind of a whim. I just decided to go ahead and take care of it, you know, today. So it's not like you have to plan and always do, you know, all these different projects, like, you know what I mean? Like you plan and plan and plan from. This was just one of those that I've just been meaning to do. Went ahead and got in there and did it. So, and I had a lot of, you know, I had my granddaughter, my grandson, my daughter-in-law, and then my son came over, and I still finished it. You know what I mean? So it wasn't a big project. So when you're sitting there and you're like procrastinating on something, just get in and do it. You'll feel so much better after you did, or after you get in and you get it done. I just wanted to show you over here. This is the pile This is stuff that I'm going to go ahead and take over to California, to San Diego. So this is kind of all of the stuff getting ready to go. We're going to be going over there soon, but this is the stuff that I'm taking over there. But this is some serving stuff that I think would be way better used over there. This is the pile that I went ahead and taking up to the cabin, along with, you know, all the stuff that needs to go up there as well. So there's a lot of trays and different things like that that I was able to pull out, and I think will again be way more used up there. To just give an idea of what I'm left with, here is just all Easter. This is all Easter platters and dishes to use. I thought these would be, I use all year round. I thought these would be good in the summer, just to taking food outside. A big, you know, big bowl that I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep or not, but it's not wanting to focus, but so I'm not really sure what I'm wanting to do with that. And then just a couple little things there. So this was like completely full. I feel pretty good about where it's looking at now. So up here, what I was able to do is bring down my mother's china from her wedding. And so I just, you know what? I don't know why I haven't brought it down sooner. I've always loved it, but these I was able to go ahead and store in here. And her glasses that we were never able to hand wash and everything. So this is all now continuing of the entertainment. So I think that looks really good. And then over here, I was able to just have the things I really love and use. These are all our like birthday cake plates that I use, little hors d'oeuvres, you know, this kind of stuff. This was my grandmother's. This is all stuff. This was my grandmother's, all stuff that I use. These were my mom's. So again, this is, you know, not too much, and I feel really good about it. This drawer was completely jam-packed. I mean, couldn't even close it. So this is all of my serving platters, chip and dip plates, but mostly serving platters, and this cute little kind of like a soup tureen. It was kind of only fitting up here, but this is way less, and I prefer to use white. I have a few little, you know, pieces of color, but pretty much all of my entertaining is white. But that drawer looks great. And then down here, these are all my serving bowls. Again, they're all white. And I just think that looks so nice, you know, when you're, you know, displaying and stuff. It just makes it so much easier. Really love how these drawers turned out. This drawer I don't really get into very much, but I do really like these casserole dishes and stuff. They have lids and they have like a little gold stand. So I do love those, and I keep those there. And then this is just extra coffee back here that goes, you know, along right up here with the coffee stuff. So, and just to give a quick little, here's one set of my nice silverware and all of my serving, you know, serving party, you know, different spoons and forks and spatulas, that type of thing. Oops. And then this is my other set. I have a silver and a gold set, and then this is just all of my, like, if I'm putting these little, you know, in for food, that kind of thing, or I'm marking what something is, or just tablescape stuff. Birthday candles, always have stuff like that, always ready to go. And then here is just some, you know, cake plates, easy, you know, things for having some cake and ice cream. You know, all the drawers are just ready to go. And then this cabinet, what I do is I just put, I don't really access that very often, so I keep the stool, my coffee pods that I can recycle, and then our trash can. And as I talked about, I didn't go through any of my glassware and stuff because I know I want to keep it. And this is all my drink stock. I just cleaned off the counters really good and everything, and I did restock the fridge with what we have and everything. So, you know, I got a lot of good stuff done today. So again, just get in there and get your little projects done. Okay, that's gonna do it. So thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope I gave you, just like I kind of motivated myself, I hope I gave you a little sprint to get some of that stuff done. I appreciate you for taking the time to watch this video. And guess what's coming up soon? We have our Easter decorating. So I'm going to be having a home tour real quick, just showing you how I'm decorating for Easter this year. Have a great day. Make sure you subscribe. Thank you, and I see you in the next one. Bye.